The next topic, Reserve Bank of India and industrial finance. So in the previous class, we saw about the Reserve Bank of India and agriculture finance, that is rural credit. So now industrial finance, what are the role played by Reserve Bank of India for industrial finance? Usually, the commercial bank providing financial assistance to the industrial undertakings or industries. They are providing only short-term loans. Sometimes may give long, medium-term loan. So the quantum of loan provided by commercial bank is also not adequate. That means the amount of loan sanctioned by or provided by commercial banks are not sufficient to meet out the requirements of industrial undertakings. So that the amount of quantum of credit available to industries through the commercial bank is not sufficient or limited only. That too, they are providing only the short-term loan. The repayment period not exceeding of 1 year. So up to 1 year only, they are providing assistance to the industries. So there is a need and urgency of long-term credit. So more than 20 years like that, 15 years or 20 years. Long-term credit is urgently needed for industrial undertakings. That is why there is a need of institutional setups for providing financial assistance and promoting of industries. So what are the reason? The quantum of loan is not sufficient, which are provided by the commercial bank, and they are providing only the short term, sometimes medium term loan only. They are not providing long term loan assistance. Due to these reasons, there is a need of urgency of long term credit financial institutions for financing and promoting of industries. So due to these reasons, institutional setups has been established that should be classified as all India level financial institutions and the state level financial institutions. All India level institutions are Industrial Financing Corporation of India, Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India, Industrial Development Bank of India. These are the three institutions which are functioning at all India level, which are providing financial assistance to industries on long-term basis. Similarly, the state level financing corporations also functioning at state level. Example, State Financing Corporation of India, Small Industries Development Corporation. These are the two important institutions which are functioning at state level. They are providing long-term financial assistance to industries. So, the industrial institutional setup for financing of industries on long-term basis are classified as all India level financial institutions and the state level financial institutions. So now we will see one by one this like IFCA, ICHCA, ITPA and SFCA and the Small Industries Development Corporation one by one in detail. The first one is Industrial Financing Corporation of India, that is IFCA. IFCA was established on 1st July 1948 under the Parliament, under the Act of Parliament. And the Act was passed in the Parliament. A special Act was passed in the Parliament, and IFCA came into existence or operation on 1st July 1948. This was the first chain of link, the establishment of financial corporation to provide for the industrial development, to provide financial assistance for industrial development. This was the first chain link, the establishment of financial corporations which are provide the financial assistance for industrial development. IFCA providing financial assistance in the following ways. What are the ways? First of all, long-term loan in Indian currency and foreign currencies. So IFCA sanctioning of credit to the various industrial undertakings on the Indian currency as well as foreign currency loan. So both Indian and foreign currency loans are sanctioned by or provided by the Industrial Financing Corporation of India. Second one, underwriting shares and debentures of industries. Underwriting in the sense, so the Industrial Financing Corporation of India taking up responsibility for the sale of shares and debentures of the industries. So newly established companies are unable to sell their shares and debentures in the capital market, so that they are undertaking or underwriting of shares and for the sale of shares and debentures of the industries. So that is one of the way for providing financial assistance. Then straight away subscribing of shares and debentures of industries. Subscribing means Industrial Financing Corporation of India purchase of shares and debentures of the industries concerned. So whatever the industries, straight away they are purchasing the shares and debentures of the company, respective company. So it is another way of financial assistance. The previous one is underwriting of shares and debentures. So they are taking up responsibility for the sale of a few number of shares and debentures sold in the market. Then subscribe directly purchasing of shares and debentures. It is another way of financial assistance. Apart from that, guaranteeing of loan of foreign currency, which are sanctioned by provided by foreign financial institution, guaranteeing of loan. So some of the foreign financial institutions are given the loan to the industrial concern which are functioning in India, which are running in India or operating in India. So in such a case, the IFCA taking of guarantee on behalf of the Indian institution or Indian industries which got the loan from the foreign financial institutions, guaranteeing of loan. Suppose if any industries are fails to repay the loan amount, the IFCA is held liable for the financial institution. The loan sanctioned by the foreign financial institution is liable by the Industrial Financing Corporation of India. So these are the ways and means for providing financial assistance to industries. Number one, providing long-term loan in Indian and foreign currencies to the industries. Subscribing of or purchasing of shares and debentures of the industries concerned. Then underwriting of shares and debentures of the industries concerned. And guaranteeing of loan for foreign currency to the foreign financial institutions. Now, the financial assistance available to what are the various industries? The industries which may be public sector industries or private sector industries or joint sector and even the cooperative societies which are incorporated in India are eligible to get financial assistance from the IFCA. So the IFCA provided long-term loan as well as medium-term loan assistance to the industries which are incorporated in India. It may be public industry, public sector or private sector or joint sector, even the cooperative societies. The only thing is it should be incorporated in India. The next one, financial assistance available to what type of the projects. The project may be set up which is a newly established projects or the expansion of the existing project or the diversification of existing project and modernization of the existing project. So IFCA providing financial assistance to both newly established projects as well as the existing projects. The existing projects require financial assistance for the expansion of the old projects or diversification of the existing projects and the modernization of the existing projects. So modernization, diversification, expansion, in all these cases the financial assistance is very much needed. So we simply say IFCA providing financial assistance both newly established projects as well as the existing projects. Apart from that, IFCI also provide loan assistance on concessional basis or concessional terms. That means the industrial projects which are set up in the industrially less developed districts of the state concerned or union territory concerned, which are notified by the central government. Some of the districts or some districts in states or union territories are notified by the central government, which are all industrially less developed districts. Those projects which are established in the less developed, industrially less developed districts or the state or the union territory concerned, which are notified by the central government, or get the financial assistance from IFCI on concessional terms. So the financial assistance available to public sector industries, private sector industries, joint sector and even cooperative societies which are incorporated in India. And the financial assistance available to both new projects as well as existing projects. Apart from that, the financial assistance available to the projects which are established in industrially less developed districts or states or the union territory, which are notified by the central government. They are getting financial assistance at concessional rates. Then the resources of Industrial Financing Corporation of India. That means how they are getting their resources of fund. First one, issue of bonds. Second one, borrowing from Industrial Development Bank of India and Reserve Bank of India. So to meet out all the requirements, they also needed the resources of finance. So that should be meet out by issue of bonds. Second one, borrowing from IDBI as well as Reserve Bank of India. And also they raise the loan or get the financial assistance from various financial institutions in the foreign capital market. So not only in India, and they are also getting financial assistance from various financial institutions in foreign capital market. So these are the brief explanation about the Industrial Financing Corporation of India. So before that, a small introduction about the necessity of institutional setup for financing and the promotion of industries on long-term basis. So commercial bank providing only the short-term loan assistance, and why it is providing short-term loan means they collect the deposit from the public only on short-term basis. With the help of that fund, commercial bank can sanction only the short-term loan. They are unable to provide long-term loan as well as medium-term loan. So for that purpose, there is a need and urgency of the institutional setup for providing long-term credit as well as promoting of industries. So institutions are all India level institutions and the state level institutions. The first institution, Industrial Financing Corporation of India, is over. The next class we will see about ICICI and IDBI.